guys, welcome back to another video, and today it's Christmas! Merry Christmas, everybody! And guess what? I was playing around when I was writing my Christmas list, and I asked for an elephant. I just adopted an elephant family of 5. Right? I got a bumper sticker for the car. I got this with a message from the elephants. Look at the elephant. Where are they from again, Mum?
Kenya.
This is to certify that Neve has adopted the elephant family. It's the elephant family, not a elephant family. And look at them. That's a teenager, and that's about William's age, and that's about my age, and then there's parents. If I just made all of that up, oh, it's true. I am boiling. I also got these new pajamas from my stinky present. Christmas Eve present. And I, of course, left one present to open with you guys. Oh my god, my favourite type of chocolate. Hey Mum, I got a chocolate orange. She don't care. Mum, I got a chocolate orange.
Oh wow.
And I got a Pikachu. Pika. And I got a lollipop. I don't know what that noise was, but and I got a beautiful eye. Yay! Like my whole life, I've just loved elephants, and I now own an elephant family. And you know what? We just heard, we were actually thinking about adopting an elephant family because on the news the other day, I just heard. So yesterday on the news, I heard that you could adopt an elephant for £3 every month, and I was like, oh Mum, maybe Santa will get me an elephant for Christmas. He did. Oh my, I'm just so happy. It's just great. Look at this elephant. I can't believe I actually adopted an elephant family of 5. It's 5 of them and I own them. Oh, I don't own them, but yeah. I kind of do own them, but I kind of don't own them. Oh, and I got a new phone. It's like Galaxy Slime, and then it's got my name. Oh my god. So, let's take you in to the chaos with my elephant. Brave night coming through. I got Jumanji. It's just like the actual Jumanji.
Yeah, what are they?
Jumanji.
Here, William.
Yep, this.
Yeah.
All of this, mine. I'll just show you a few things that I got. Like, I got this t-shirt graffiti. What's it from? So I've got the pens and the t-shirt to colour it in. And I got lots of other stuff. Did I tell you I got this elephant? Okay, everybody knows I got the elephant. I've literally been bragging about it this whole video. Oh, I got a Harry Potter cookbook. Dad.
You better be good for goodness sake.
magical meals and fantasy food inspired by the world of Hogwarts. I need to
Is there any more rubbish in the box?
No, I'm rubbish asses, Mum. Yeah, I'm doing a video at the minute. I love these things. Every toy day, like, somebody has to bring this into school. And then I'm like, oh my god, that's supposed to be mine.
I'll get the money.
No, you ain't got the money. No, wait, we even got a stupid money bank.
No, it's just phone, that's why you do it.
Oi. 3,
2, 1.
Oh my god, I bet that was cool. I'm gonna watch this video again. 3,
2, 1.
On YouTube. And I also got a cabbage patch here. I don't know how many of those I have. Let me think. Julietta, Judy, Crystal and Carter. Mum, how many cabbage patch kids do I have? But now I've got 8. Because I had 7. Okay, let's go up and check out these. Oh, and I got some squishies. Like, what's Christmas without squishies and a koala bush? Hey, William! I got the money! Please, would you get me a few too? No. Look at it.
Christmas.
Look at that. Oh! Oh, I smell pigs in blankets.
You smell bacon.
Also known as pigs in blankets, Mum. Honestly. Yeah, but William's got sausage, hasn't he? So I smell sausage and bacon with meat, pigs in blankets. Oh, I smell pigs in blankets. Oh. It was a sad day. Look at him. I forgot his name. But he's cute. Right, take those off and show them. I want to see your t-shirt. Because you know what? I hate them grease. I just hate them. He's going to look so cute though, just in a, like, t-shirt. Shirt and nappy. So... Look at you, you little cutie. He's so cute, isn't he? Right, and you feel no more pain. Oh, look how cute he is. So this one's a boy. I know that because I asked her for a boy cabbage packet to go with the other 7 girl cabbage packets. Don't know why I did it. But maybe Bertha, it's a boy. I can't tell what I like most. Him in degrees or just in t-shirt and pants. Comment down below what you think is better, whoop or boop. So, hey Julie, did I tell you? I'm going crazy because I stopped talking to my cat. I think I'm just going to leave him with it off right now. So, anyway. Let's talk. What was your favorite day of, like, the elf on the... Like, what was your favorite elf on the shelf day? Like, that's if you have a elf on the shelf, or if you don't have an elf on the shelf, then what was your favorite, like, my vision of having my elf on the shelf and stuff? Because that's the reason what I did it. See if you guys would like it, and if so, I do it every year. Yes. I think I had fun doing it. My mom didn't. Ignore what's behind me. And just my clothes for today. So I sleep like this. They told me I sleep like this, Elf. You have to get me in my awkward position. Leg over there, head here. Oh, I can really stretch whilst I sleep. Okay, so guys, I've got to get doing Christmassy stuff. So, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye guys.